Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Our phones are a goldmine of private information. Just think of all the financial details, personal messages, and contact info that lives in the palm of your hand. And if your team uses their phones for work, they'll often have access straight into company systems: email, contact list, network access, file systems, and more. Maybe even your business bank account. That's why keeping phones secure should be a priority, because it's too easy to take them for granted. First, you should always keep the operating system and apps up to date. Next, take care where and when you log onto a public Wi-Fi. Consider using a virtual private network, a VPN, for an extra layer of security. Finally, always turn on multi-factor authentication. Make sure you secure the phone with a PIN or biometric lock, like a fingerprint or Face ID. If you need any help to get anything securely set up, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.